Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your flipped screenshots or your pictures using the camera on your Samsung phone. So there is a setting for this. The setting is a little bit difficult to get to, so let's press on the camera. Then you can see this little box right here. Let's press this. Then this will reveal settings, so we can go to settings right here. Now all we want to do is go down to this option right here where it says save selfies as previewed. So how you look at them is how they're going to appear when you look back at them. Save selfies and selfie videos as they appear in the preview window without flipping them. So just turn this on, and then you can go to your pictures and take a picture. And this is how it's going to appear now when you look back at it. So it's going to be at the same as how you took it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below.